Maintaining good eye health is essential for overall well-being and quality of life. Our eyes are constantly exposed to various environmental factors and stressors, making it crucial to nourish them with the right nutrients. Certain natural foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support eye health and help prevent vision-related issues. Here, we explore the top 5 natural foods known for their eye health properties. 1. Carrots. Carrots are often touted as one of the best foods for eye health, and for good reason. They are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that is essential for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the production of rhodopsin, a pigment found in the retina that helps us see in low light conditions. Additionally, carrots contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful blue light and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD). Snacking on raw carrots or adding them to salads is an easy way to boost your intake. 2. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green powerhouse full of nutrients that are beneficial for eye health. It contains high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that filter harmful blue light and protect the retina from oxidative stress. Spinach is also rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which contribute to overall eye health and may help prevent cataracts. Regularly incorporating spinach into your diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, can help support your vision. 3. Fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining eye health. Omega-3s help protect the retina and may reduce the risk of dry eye syndrome and AMD. They also play a role in maintaining proper eye moisture. The American Academy of Ophthalmology recommends consuming 2 servings of fatty fish per week to support eye health. Grilling, baking, or steaming fish are healthy cooking methods that preserve their nutritional benefits. 4. Eggs. Eggs are not only a versatile food, but also a fantastic source of nutrients that promote eye health. They are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamin A and zinc. Zinc is essential for maintaining the health of the retina and may help prevent night blindness. The combination of these nutrients in eggs can help protect against oxidative damage and reduce the risk of eye diseases. Enjoying eggs in various forms, boiled, scrambled, or as part of an omelette, can provide a delicious boost to your diet. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are a delicious and nutrient-dense fruit packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and anthocyanins. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage the eyes over time. Studies suggest that the antioxidants found in blueberries may help protect against AMD and promote overall eye health. Adding blueberries to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothies is a tasty way to reap their benefits. Conclusion: incorporating these top 5 natural foods, carrots, spinach, fish, eggs, and blueberries into your diet can significantly contribute to maintaining and improving eye health. Each of these foods is rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage and reduce the risk of vision-related problems. A balanced diet that includes a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, along with healthy fats, will ensure you are getting the nutrients necessary for optimal eye function. Remember, taking proactive steps to care for your eyes today can lead to better vision in the future.